Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and welcome to my channel and to another Techniques Tuesday. As you know, the month of July is the channel's salads month. So today I have a salad dressing for you. I call this salad dressing honey balsamic vinaigrette. This is a short video, so I'll let you get to it. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll talk to you later. Look at how wonderfully thick this dressing's become. Enjoy this vinaigrette on any one of your salads, as a glaze for any one of your proteins, and as a marinade. I like it when I use it on my salad with the gorgonzola blue cheese. In fact, you can use it with any one of the salad toppings I have here on the table. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video and this Technique Tuesday, please give me a like. That's going to be a thumbs up. Share on all the media platforms. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed and you'd like to see more of these. And if you are one of my subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Please make sure you stay tuned and see where I use this salad dressing. And as always, I like to say, please be the blessing to someone, and many blessings and much favor until we meet again. I'll see you next time.